Hey guys, it's MrCricket, and today I'm going to be solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So as you can see, it's already mixed up. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just mixing it up. And I'm not going to really teach you, but like I'm going to do that for the next episode, the next YouTube video. Today I'm just going to prove to you that I can solve it. Throughout this episode, throughout this video, I'm gonna tell you like the steps: the white cross, the white side, the first layer, second layer, yellow, all that stuff. So let's go. There you go. There's the white cross with blue, red on this red, green on this green, orange on this orange. Now, for the white side. And there you go, there's the white side. And also, I solved the first layer where it makes a T, and also it's in the same color. Now, for the second layer. There you go, second layer. And plus, if you don't believe me, that's the second layer. Yeah, one piece fell off. Now, here is for the third layer. So, if you have a dot or a line or an L shape, like this, then you just do one step. There you go, a yellow cross. Now, to solve the whole side. There you go, solving the whole side. Now, to get to the final step. Now I'm at the final step. There you go. I solved it. And here's your proof.